Every single time I shop online, I do something that takes me about 3 seconds. And last year alone, it saved me over $600. I'm not exaggerating. I'll show you the exact numbers. The tool is called Coupert. It's completely free. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why over 6 million people use it every single week. The link to download is in the description. Grab it now so you can follow along. Here's the problem with online shopping in 2026. You find something you want, you go to checkout, and there's that little promo code box staring at you. So you spend 10 minutes digging through coupon sites and every code is either expired or doesn't apply. That was me until I found Coupert. I'm on Adidas right now with running shoes in my cart for $139. I hit checkout and Coupert pops up on its own. No clicking needed. It tested 14 codes in about 4 seconds and applied the best one automatically. That just knocked $60.44 off my order without me lifting a finger. Coupert processes over 20 million deals daily and adds 100,000 fresh codes every single day. Their success rate is around 50%. The industry average is only 15 to 30%. Most coupon sites are basically graveyards of expired codes. Coupert actually verifies what works before applying it. Now here's what completely sold me on Coupert: their saving guarantee. This is what separates it from every other coupon extension out there. You're at checkout, Coupert runs through every code, and none of them work. With any other tool, that's it. You just move on frustrated. But with Coupert, you're still covered. First, the missed coupon guarantee. If Coupert doesn't find a working code, but you find a valid coupon somewhere else, submit it and they'll pay you a cash reward. They're saying, if we missed it, we'll make it right. And it helps other Coupert users too, because that code gets added to their system. Then there's the auto test guarantee. If Coupert fails to save you money on 3 separate orders across different stores, you can still claim a cash reward. Worst case scenario, you're still walking away with money in your account. Remember that frustration from the beginning? Spending 10 minutes trying expired codes and getting nothing? Coupert doesn't just test codes for you, it guarantees you won't walk away empty-handed. You either save with a coupon, or Coupert pays you when it can't find one. That's a savings safety net. There is literally no downside. The link to download Coupert is in the description, completely free. You've got nothing to lose. And their guarantee literally backs that up. Hit subscribe if you're finding this helpful. But Coupert does more than coupons. I'm looking at a Dyson V15 vacuum on Amazon for $829. Coupert's sidebar found the same item on eBay for $495.99. That's over $333 saved on the identical product. It even shows price history with trend charts, so you know whether the price has been dropping or rising and whether it's the right time to buy. Without Coupert, I would have paid full price and never known. Even after coupons and price comparison, Coupert stacks cash back on top. Nike offers up to 8% back, Sephora around 6%, Walmart between 1 and 7% depending on the category. The process is dead simple. Activate cashback, complete your purchase, and within 3 to 15 days, real cash shows up in your Coupert account. Not points, real money you can withdraw straight to PayPal, your bank, or gift cards. No minimum threshold. Last year, between coupons, price comparison, and cashback combined, I saved over $600. That's my actual account, not a marketing number. Coupert works on Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari, and Opera. It covers over 3 million retailers worldwide: Amazon, Sephora, Best Buy, AliExpress, and thousands more. Nearly 15,000 Trustpilot reviews, with a 4.8 out of 5 rating. Over 6 million people use it every single week. What's the most expensive thing sitting in your cart right now? Drop it in the comments, and I'll tell you if Coupert can find a better deal on it. Click the link in my description or pinned comment to download Coupert completely free. Remember, with the max saving guarantee, you either save money or Coupert pays you. Zero risk. Stop leaving money on the table. Download it now and start saving on your very next purchase.